Alright, on number 41 here. What type of function is that? Rational. What's your degree in the numerator? 2. What's your degree in the denominator? They're the same. So what you going to do with these two values? 4 divided by 1 is 4. I told you omit 42. 43. What type of function is that, guys? What kind of function? Polynomial. What type of polynomial? Quadratic. The leading coefficient's what? Leading coefficient's what? Positive or negative? So it's going to be looking something like that, isn't it? As x goes to negative infinity, what's happening here? Very good. We're just going to go and do the even ones while we do here. I want you to look at that one. Number 44. I want you to do 44 right now. Do 44 and then we'll go over it. What's the degree in the numerator? What's the degree in the denominator? Is it bottom or top heavy? As n goes to infinity, you're going to plug what in? If I plug 100 in, I get what in the top? Positive or negative? In the bottom I get, what's positive divided by positive? So it's positive infinity. Number 45. What type of function is that? Rational. Rational. Alright, if you were absent yesterday, let's make sure you understand what we're doing here. We looked at as limits as they go to infinity and negative infinities, particular, polynomial, and rational. Rational, you got to know these three rules for rational. If it's the same degree, you divide the leading coefficients. So I got 4. Here, if it's top heavy, there's the highest degree is 3 in the numerator, then it's either going to be positive infinity or negative infinity. You got to plug in as n goes to infinity. Pick some number in infinity. I always pick 100 and plug it in to predict. I get a positive over positive. Here, I have a rational. Leading the degrees are the same. I'll divide the leading coefficient. What's 2 divided by 1, guys? 2. All right. 46. It's a rational. Is it top heavy or bottom heavy? Top. So I got to plug a number in. As it goes to infinity, I'm going to plug 100 in. I will get what in the top? Positive or negative? Positive. In the denominator, I get what? So that predicts it's going to what? Now, in polynomials, you have to sketch the graph to see. What type of polynomial is this? Cubic. The leading coefficient is what? Positive or negative? So it's going something like that, isn't it? Alright. As n goes to negative infinity, as I go this way, what is happening to my n behavior? It's going to negative infinity. Alright, number 48. Is it bottom heavy or top heavy? Top. Now, what if it was bottom heavy? If the degree was higher on the denominator, it's automatically what? 0. But it is top heavy. So, as n goes to infinity, I plug 100 in, I still get a positive or positive, wouldn't I? That predicts positive infinity. Number 49. As n goes to infinity, it's top heavy. There's a lot of top heavy here. If I plug 100 in, I'm still going to get what? Which is what? Alright, number 50. This polynomial is to the what power? 5. So it means it crosses the x-axis how many times? 5 times. So it'd be something like this. I'm just showing you. I'm getting animated here. Alright. As I go to positive infinity, what's happening to this right here? So it's going to positive infinity. Is this bottom heavy or top heavy? Top heavy, so once again. What if this said into negative infinity? You would have to plug negative 100 in. But it's positive infinity, that still gives me positive or positive, so that's positive. Number 52, the degrees are the what? Same, so what do you do with these two numbers? Divide, and that's your answer, 1/2. Okay? How do y'all feel on that? You just got your homework done. Alright, let's go back to my limit game here. Scratch sheet of paper. Ooh. Here we go. I like this game. I'm getting you ready for that test. What's the first thing you want to try to do? Direct substitution. Now, guys, on those problems that's got it approaching infinity, can you do direct substitution on those? No, that's why we have rules. For polynomial, you draw them. For rational, you got your rules. You got me? So on these, you always try direct substitution. Plug 4 in. Can I do that? Nope. Uh-oh. Now, can I do any of my toolkit strategies? No. So is this one-sided or two-sided? One-sided. So I'm at 4. What's left of 4? 3. I plug 3 in. 3 minus 4 is? A positive divided by negative is a what? Negative. So this is going to what? Negative infinity. Negative infinity. What type of discontinuity is this? Removable or infinite? Infinite, because I couldn't remove anything, could I? Okay, that's infinite. There's an asymptote occurring there. The limit is h approaches 0. Sometimes you see h in there. I don't know why it shouldn't be h. It should be x, but anyway, we're just going to go with it right now. Unless it's bothering you and I can change it to x. Let's just change it to x. Okay, let me write it like this. Now we need to review this because some of us are missing these. Some of us missed this on our quiz. Alright, so let's review that. I tried 0. Can't do that. So I'm going to use one of my toolkit strategies. What's my toolkit strategy here? I'm going to need you to do what? Rationalize the what? Numerator. So let's take our time on this. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by that plus 1, that plus 1. Now for this times this is what with those square roots? Cancel. This times 1 is plus square root of 1 plus h. This times this is minus square root of 1 plus h. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. What happens to these two things right here? Now I'm going to do h times this is h square root of 1 plus h plus h. The negative 1, positive 1 cancel. I'm left with h over this. Well, guys, if I try direct substitution there, I still get 0 in the denominator. So I got to use another strategy. What could I take out of both of these? H.
Wouldn't the two h's cancel? Have a 1.
That right now they will after you factor it. You can't right now because there's a
plus h.
You can't. It's together. If this wasn't here, yes, you could cancel those h's out. Took an h out, that leaves a 1. Now these h's cancel. 1 over 1 plus h plus 1. I still put an h in there where it should have been an x. I'm sorry. That's the whole point of rewriting. That should be x's. But anyway, that's not the big ordeal of the matter. Alright. I plug 0 in. What's 1 plus 0? 1. Square root of 1 is? 1 plus 1 is? So your limit's 1/2. You got stuff like that on your test Thursday. You got to do that. Yes, Papa. Put in that number first row. What now, hon? Right here? I factored out h here, so that leaves that. H divided by h is 1. Alright. Try that one. I do direct substitution. Y'all ready? Uh-oh. So now what toolkit strategy do I need to do? Factor. So I factor that x plus 6, x minus 6. My x plus 6's go away, don't they? I'm left with 1 over x minus 6. Do I still run into uh-oh? Is this a one-sided or two-sided? So you got to take a number from the left and the right to help predict what's going on. Alright. 1 over x minus 6. What's to the left of it? 5. Good. 5 minus 6 is? 1 over negative 1 is? So it's going to negative infinity on this side. What's to the right of it? 1 over 7 minus 6 is 1 over 1, which is? So it's going this way, isn't it? Do they go in the same direction? Bless you. Does not what? Thank you. Okay? How about that one? Tomorrow we're just reviewing all again tomorrow and all this. Can I cancel those x's out? No, that's it. Mathematically illegal. I plug negative 3 and I have an uh-oh. Okay? So it's two-sided. So, got to check on the left and the right. What's left of negative 3? I plug negative 4 in. I got a negative here and a negative value here. What's a negative divided by negative? It's going positive infinity. To the right of it, I plug in negative 2. I do that, I get a negative over a positive arm. So it's going negative. Are they going the same direction? So what is it? Does that make sense? Kobe, you good? So on this one right here, can you do direct substitution? X goes to infinity. Wake up, y'all. Can I do direct substitution there? No. So I got to, okay, what type of function is that? Yep, quadratic. Now, I draw this. Are my ends sticking in upward or downward? Downward. So as x goes to infinity, where's my graph going? Negative infinity. I mean, my limit's going negative infinity. Can I do direct substitution on that one? No. Okay, this is rational, so I have our rules. Is it top heavy or bottom heavy?
Bottom heavy.
So what's your automatic limit? 0. Alright. Can you do direct substitution on this one? No. Alright. It's a polynomial, it's a quintic. Leading coefficient positive, so it's like this, isn't it? Where's it going if it's going toward negative infinity? Negative infinity. So your answer is negative infinity on that one. Can I do direct substitution on that one? No. It's top heavy, isn't it? So x goes to infinity, I'm going to plug 100 in. If I plug 100 here and 100 here, I'm going to get a what? Positive over positive, which is a positive infinity. Can I do direct substitution on that one? No. It is cubic, but leading coefficient is negative, so it's going to be this way. As x goes to infinity, where's my graph going? Negative infinity. One more card for our game. I've loved this game. Can you do direct substitution there?
No.
Leading coefficients, the degrees are the same, so what you going to do with leading coefficients? 8 divided by 4 is? Very good. Did y'all enjoy the game? You don't have any homework, but I got a lot covered today that I didn't plan on getting covered today. So this is what we're going to do tomorrow. I'm just going to let you start. Do not finish this homework. You can have time in class to do this tomorrow, but I don't want you to sit here for 9 minutes. You got me? Yes. Oh, you're going to take that quiz, big boy. Yes. Let's see who else needs that quiz. Here, pass that up. Oh, you didn't take the tree quiz.
He came in late.
You do that.
Boy. Here. Yes. Okay, I'll be right there, okay? Okay, now this is not phone time. This is not phone time. if you can do everything on this page